What's up, peoples? Started my Mustang. I got two flowmasters in the back of this bad boy. Just gonna let you hear the cold start of it. Set that here. The whip of it. There it goes. Yeah, 2012 Mustang GT. Gonna get another one. Going for the 2014 GT 500. That'll be my next one. I'm gonna put not gonna do too much to this car. I'm gonna put I guess they call it front spoiler on it. Make it look a little bit more aggressive. I may just go ahead and get the entire ground kit. Entire kit. But yeah, this is pretty much. I didn't do too much to it yet, but just stay tuned, and then I'll show you more that I might do to it. And that's about it. Thanks.